Dependable anchor can be folded up to reduce its size for easy storage when not in use. Versatile anchor can be locked in either the open or closed position. Rugged anchor is made of malleable iron. Heavily galvanized for long-term corrosion-resistant performance. Ideal for use by small watercraft and dinghies. Reliable anchor weighs 3.5 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I got this to anchor my float while I'm relaxing in the river and it works perfectly. I wasn't sure if the 1.5 pounds would be heavy enough, but it's totally fine. In fact, my friend attached her float to it as well and both of us stayed in place. This little anchor makes my river floats much more relaxing. I'm very happy with it.